Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I want to share with you a little secret for making brown rice really quickly. This is the Tasty Bite organic brown rice, and this is ready to go in the pouch, and it is a very convenient option when you are trying to get a meal together quickly. So brown rice takes a long time to cook, and I don't always have the time to cook that for 40 minutes plus. So this is such a nice convenient way to be able to have brown rice and get it ready really quickly. So this is an organic and non-GMO brown rice, and it's just very simple ingredients. It has water, long grain brown rice, and sunflower oil, and it is again organic. So this is such a nice and healthy option when you're short on time and you want to just have some brown rice with your meal. So I would definitely recommend this Tasty Bite brown rice, and that is my point of view.